Okay, you guys asked for it. You wanted the next big thing, and you know what? I do not let you down. Here it is. You ready? The next big thing in truck camper screw-ups. See how nicely that the siding has worked its way out. I don't know how the hell it did that. So let's see if we can work this back in. And you gotta ask yourself, what would Mitch do? Well, Mitch would sell it. I can hear Mitch right now saying, sell that piece of or he's filling the S word. But come on, get in there. All right. So, just got a little piece here that is kind of being a straggler. There. All right. Now, we are all back in. So what the hell caused that to come out? I do not know. But I'm going to clean this here caulk off of there. Come on, come on. And it'll probably, one thing that probably has a lot to do with it is these rusted old staples. Some of those are probably rusted out. Well, you see that one just pulled right out. So that's part of it right there. Anyway. So I could fill this, but I'm not going to. I'm just going to tape over it with some Gorilla tape, and that will work just dandy. So yeah, like I was saying, I'm gonna have to do some major maintenance on this thing this summer. All right, so here is a repair product that I have. Good old Gorilla waterproof patch and seal tape. So this will work until we get home. If I can get it off. It's pretty tough and sticky. Just had myself some Arizona mango iced tea, very tasty, and that will go nicely with my large Love's coffee. Okay, and Kelly is going to run in to try and get herself some 0-calorie Gatorade because she likes that stuff.
I usually get vitamin.
Yeah, well, they got vitamin water.
In the camper.
So I am feeling better after my little incident with contaminated water. But I don't care.
Want something to put behind there to hold it up?
I don't care.
I just need. I'll be right back.
Okay. All right, let me get up here, measure out enough.
You want this pointing at you?
Yeah, you can turn it up.
Just hold it. Jeff now has a camera assistant. Yes.
Well, you forgot to say lovely assistant.
Oh,
My
Yes.
lovely assistant.
like you have a
Okay. So I don't know where my...
unknown mechanic and I'm the unknown assistant.
Yes. Well, I mean, some people know you. Some people know the unknown mechanic. However, like Batman and Superman, the identities are closely guarded secrets. Kind of like Paul is Northwest Van Man, but he never lets people know that he is actually Northwest Van Man.
Oh, you want some scissors so you don't stab yourself?
No, I want to stab myself.
Yeah.
I'm just trying to see how long I can put off the inevitable.
Oh, I have to keep touching the screen to see what's recording, right?
Yeah. Yeah, it'll time out.
Obviously a novice assistant.
No.
We do have scissors, you know.
Well, what I need is my utility knife, but I don't know where it is. Like
Didn't I
someone-
see a utility knife by the stove?
I don't know. You could run up there and take a look. And I will take this. Okay, I am going to attempt to put this on up here. So let's okay, it only gets stickier from here. Maybe you can see it now. Come on, separate. Separate. Apparently this crap is like really sticky or something. Oh, I see what the problem is. That'll work. Alrighty. Okay, that is very, very highly sticky stuff.
I was going to say you might want to put one over your light, but you can't.
Yeah, you can point that at me.
Here's this.
Yeah.
Exciting stuff. Are you going to put another layer to go over it a little bit
This
further?
only needs one.
Because it's so sticky.
This is very, very powerful stuff. And it would be even nicer if it would work with me instead of against me. Come on.
Is that the only place you have to put it is down this side?
Yeah. But it's working against me, so. Yeah, you know, I should have known better than to get perfect results.
At least it's not covering the window.
Yep.
Yeah, we'll just be a big piece of duct tape by the time we get home.
Bitch.
Beep.
Well, as you can suspect, I'm really not a very happy camper right now.
$11 minutes and 42 seconds.
What's that?
Well, that is super sticky.
Mm-hmm.
Is that Gorilla Tape?
Yes.
A special brand of Gorilla Tape?
Well, yeah.
Did you already show what it was?
I showed it. It's right there. Okay, where's the knife? Thank you. And show the knife.
The wind won't pick that up because that's so sticky, right?
No, the wind ain't gonna do nothing to this. Okay, let me stand over here.
Need some extra light?
No. Well, I don't know what it is, but I really like that tape. A little hard to work with, but it'll get her done.
So you haven't used this tape before?
Not this stuff. I bought this special for emergency RV repairs.
It's like instant Bondo.
Yeah, well, closest stuff would be Eternabond. And I have Eternabond too, but not this size. And as it turns out, this is the size I needed. Okay, now I need to get up, and away to do the same thing on top. Alright.
Can you reach that?
I should be able to. That's too bad. I wanted to have a nice, perfect lay on it, but it doesn't work.
You have to put another piece layering on the bottom at all?
No. This will probably last as long as the camper. This will last until I fix it.
Any other spots to fix while you're got it out?
No, this is it. Okay.
You're on camera.
Okay, kids, there you go. It is fixed just like that. Crazy. I don't know how that happened. But yeah, as I say, this thing is slated for major work here coming up. So this side is okay. But you know, I'll tell you one thing, it's probably a good example of just how much wind we are being battered by here. The winds are 40, 50 miles an hour, and we're getting buffeted all over the road pretty good. Fortunately, the solar panels are still in place.
Awning's still there.
Yeah, the awning is still there. The cats haven't been enjoying themselves, but so good. Okay, so we are, yeah, we are back on the road. Okay, so there you go. That is another quick fix on the road. So far this trip, it has been the water pump went out, and then it was a fuel injector failed, and then it was the your dear friend Jeff, star of the show, got sick from contaminated RV fresh dump station water.
Gotta still clean that out.
What? Yeah, and so there is bleach currently in the water system, killing everything.
Shake, shake, shake.
So, what were you trying to say?
Oh, just that we still have to do that, the water thing.
Yeah, well, yeah, of course, I'm getting there. What?
The lovely love sunset.
Yes, I know. The Love's sunset. Actually does kind of frame nicely.
I know. I like their logo.
Yeah. So, okay. There you go. Another in a long line of helpful how to fix your RV, house, whatever videos brought to you by me. Okay, so don't forget to like, comment, subscribe, share. All of those things will help my channel grow. It has been my channel since 2009, so we are almost a 15-year-old channel now, and I don't even have 4,000 subscribers yet. I want you to help me. All right, see you on the next video. Thanks.
Thank you. I'm just gonna go potty inside then for these.